Namaste folks, I'm Kurta, Kurta Coder, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about helping you level up. If you're excited about AI and React but don't know where to start, you are in the right place. This is our playlist, Build AI Apps with React. In this playlist, we will take a stepped approach. We'll start with Foundation, where we'll learn basics of React and basics of AI, and then move on to how to integrate AI libraries in React, and then finally build our AI projects. What to expect? Please expect hands-on coding, some real-world examples, and clear explanations perfect for beginners and experienced devs. So if you're ready, please hit that play button and start building AI-powered React apps today. Also, if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on React, AI, and web development. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions. I would love to help. Happy coding!